So I decided to learn Unity in 7 days. No tutorials, no Google, no ChatGPT, and no common sense. Everything except the last point was a lie. Step 1 is to download Unity Hub. Simple, right? Wrong! Yeah, it totally didn't just took me 2 hours just to install Unity. Let's move on. So I opened up Unity and created a new 3D project because 2D is for idiots and I'm clearly not an idiot, right? Yeah, maybe I am. And for some reason it took ages just to create this project. Like, I just watched the entire Skibidi Toilet series and it still haven't finished. And finally when the project was loaded, I was like, what in the absolute shit is this? It was overwhelming and it took me a lot of time getting used to it. Alright, the first thing I did was added a plane and a cube. And we're gonna call him Barry. Look at that cute little mother. And now let's give Barry some physics. Okay, now we want Barry to move, so it's time to code. And by code I mean ask ChatGPT to make a script for me while I sit back and look at the screen like an idiot.
Bruh.
You can't do that. You're not learning anything. You're just using AI.
Yeah, just shut up, kid. We are just gonna focus on the engine itself and not the coding part. We'll do that later. Not because my last 2 brain cells can't handle it. And boom! It's not working. Why is it not working? And for some reason it is not working. So I decided to learn everything properly without just blindly following what ChatGPT says. Psych, that's what a nerd would say. I'm gonna use AI to fix this. And turns out I forgot to add the script to the cube. Yeah, I'm an idiot, okay? You don't have to point it out. And finally, we're gonna make the camera follow the player. And for that, we need an advanced script which will follow and track the player's movement. Yeah, just kidding. I'm just gonna make the camera a child object of the player. Okay, definitely in the future we will be adding a script for the camera, but for now we'll just go with this. And that's it for day 1. I made a cube, it moves, the camera follows the cube, and I only cried once, so that's a success. Subscribe if you wanna see me suffer more, and like the video or Barry will be deleted.